First time in channel, welcome to a electronics components unboxing video. So today we are going to unbox a package from robu.in. Mention, it is not sponsored. So let's begin.
I've been thinking about myself today. Think how I changed. How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Well, I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
So this is the end of the total things I have bought. And this all total have cost and made 807. So I've got everything very cheap rate with respect to other markets, and I'm happy with this.
And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town.